Hey there, Happy New Year you guys. I am Jerry and welcome back to the channel, The Chicago Griller. This is the show where I share my favorite tips, tricks, and recipes for the Weber Q. If you think that I can help you out, hit the like button and subscribe. It is the last day of the calendar year, and like so many others out there, I am reflecting on the year that was 2021. In my YouTube life, this channel has seen a little bit of momentum and success as we have crossed the 1,000 and 5,000 subscriber milestones this year. And I don't say this nearly enough, but thank you to all you viewers out there who continue to lend your support to this channel. Without you guys, I don't think I would have the motivation to continue to put out weekly videos. So in return, once again, thank you for your support, and I wish you all a very happy and healthy 2022 to come. Anyways, to wrap up the year, I thought it would be fun to look back on the year that was 2021 and review some of my most viewed and most liked videos. I also want to share some of my personal favorites in case you missed them. So let's go and have a peek after the intro. First up will be last year's most popular recipe video. And somewhat surprisingly, it was also the very first video that I posted all year long on January 1st, 2021. And that was for the full English breakfast. I said at the time, it is a good way to start the new year with a good hearty meal. And there's nothing heartier than the full English breakfast. I guess a lot of you agreed with me because, like I said, it was my most viewed recipe and most liked recipe video for the entire calendar year. So how can I possibly top this in 2022? Well, I don't know if I can, but I'm going to try to with the full American breakfast. Again, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so that you can be alerted when that video does come out in the new year. So the full English breakfast was my most popular recipe video. What was my most popular video overall? Well, that title goes to the video that featured my top 5 Weber Q grilling mistakes. It also happens to be my most successful video of all time to date, racking up over 100,000 views so far. As you all know from watching videos on this channel is all about how to master cooking on your Weber Q gas grill. Now, I don't know if Weber had intended it for it to be this way, but the Weber Q series has a bit of a reputation of being a bit of an entry-level grill. I'm not sure if it's because it's just small, or because it's considered quote-unquote portable, or because it comes in all sorts of snazzy colors and team logos. But however it's earned that reputation, there is a bit of a learning curve to master cooking on the Q. So this video attempted to address some of the common pitfalls when firing up this grill. For more detail, click the link above to watch the video in full, but otherwise I'm going to go ahead and recap it here. Number 1, do your research on what size Q to purchase before you actually make the purchase. Number 2, always cook with your lid down. Number 3, use large gas bottles when you're at home. Number 4, keep your burner tube clean. And number 5, and most importantly, this grill is not just for tailgates, burgers, and steaks. You can do pretty elaborate roasts or exotic dishes on this grill. So those 2 videos were my most popular videos in 2021, at least based on viewership and number of likes. But what were my personal favorites to make and show you in 2021? Well, there were 3 videos that really come to the top of my head. First up was the Aussie burger with the lot. It might as well be called the Aussie burger with a lot because of the sheer number of ingredients involved. I was inspired to make this video because, believe it or not, about 1/3 of the viewers on this channel come from the land down under. And Isn't that what social media is all about? Engaging with your fans and supporters? So I thought it would be really fun, and it was a lot of fun cooking and assembling this burger. And to take this another step, I was really encouraged by all the comments left by Australians on this video about how I did a bang-on job with this burger. That said, I know there are a few tweaks that I can make to improve this burger, and I look forward to making these in my 2022 version. Pickled beets and all. Another personal favorite video of mine from the past year was when I went outside and made the blizzard burgers. You see, in February 2021, Chicago received 21.5 inches of snowfall, which is quite a bit higher than normal. Now, I know some of you out there, like perhaps some of my Aussie friends who've never ever seen snow, will think I'm a little bit nuts for grilling outside when it's a blizzard. But let me tell you what, there is something just magical about fresh snow, and it was really fun to be out there in the elements, in my element. Now, there's no science behind this statement, but you know what? Burgers just taste better in the snow. Now, the final video that I want to highlight and recap from 2021 was my personal favorite recipe that I made all year long, and it was for garlic shrimp rolls. I was inspired to try out this recipe after vacationing in Maine, which is in the far northeastern part of the USA. Now, Maine is actually more commonly known for their lobster, but after spending quite a bit of money on this vacation, I needed to find an alternative that would be tasty but also be friendly to my wallet, so I thought shrimp would be a great substitute. And I'll tell you what, this was a taste explosion that exceeded my expectations. Definitely give this a try and you'll understand where I'm coming from. However, next time, I don't think I'm gonna skimp out, and instead I'm gonna use the real thing and grill up some lobster and make some lobster rolls with this. Like I said before, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that when I do get around to making this video and I do get around to publishing it, you don't miss out. Anyways, that is a wrap on 2021. Once again, thank you all so very much for your continued likes and support to this channel. It really means the world to me. Let me know in the comments section down below if there were any videos that I didn't highlight in today's show that really stood out to you in the past year. I'd be curious to know which ones were your favorite. Thanks again for watching. Hope you all have a very happy and healthy new year to come, and I'll see you all in 2022.